Welcome to Renovate. Today, we'll be examining the best flux-cored welders. The Lincoln Electric FC90 is a compact and versatile flux-core welder designed for easy use and portability. With a 90 amp power output and a 120 volt input, it's perfect for light to medium duty welding tasks around the home or workshop. Its 30% duty cycle at 80 amps ensures that you can handle moderate welding projects without frequent cooling breaks. Weighing just 16 pounds, it's incredibly lightweight, making it easy to carry and store. The welder's dimensions allow it to fit comfortably in small spaces. One downside of this device is its limited power output, which may not be sufficient for more demanding welding jobs. Additionally, the machine is restricted to flux-core welding only, lacking the versatility of other welders that can switch between different welding processes. Some users have also noted that the included accessories are basic and you might need to invest in higher quality gear for better performance. Overall, this model is an excellent choice for beginners or hobbyists looking for a reliable and portable welder for light projects. It offers good performance for its size and price. Check the link in the description below for more details and to purchase on Amazon. The Forney Easy Weld 140 FCI is a robust flux-core welder designed for both beginners and experienced welders who need a portable and efficient machine. With a maximum power output of 140 amps and an operating on a standard 120 volt input, it can handle a wide range of welding tasks, from small repairs to medium-sized projects. The welder has a duty cycle of 30% at 90 amps, allowing for continuous welding with minimal downtime. Weighing 19 pounds, it strikes a good balance between portability and stability. Its compact dimensions make it easy to store and transport. However, this device has some limitations. Its flux-core only design means it cannot be used for MIG welding, which might limit its versatility for some users. Additionally, while it's powerful for its size, it might struggle with thicker materials or more intensive projects. The included accessories are functional but basic, so investing in additional or higher quality gear might be necessary for optimal performance. In conclusion, this model is a solid choice for those in need of a reliable and portable flux-core welder. It offers a good mix of power, portability, and ease of use, making it suitable for various welding tasks. For more details and to purchase, check the link in the description below. The Lincoln Electric 90i FC is a highly portable flux-core welder designed for light to medium duty welding projects. It delivers a maximum power output of 20 to 120 amps and runs on a standard 120 volt input, making it accessible for use in most home and workshop settings. With a duty cycle of 30% at 90 amps, it allows for effective welding sessions without frequent breaks. Weighing only 15 pounds, it's lightweight and compact, ensuring easy transport and storage. On the downside, its design limits it to flux-core welding only, which might not meet the needs of users who require MIG or TIG welding capabilities. Some users have also mentioned that the machine's accessories, while functional, could be upgraded for improved performance and longevity. Overall, this model is a practical and portable option for beginners and hobbyists seeking a reliable welder for lighter projects. It provides solid performance for its size and is easy to use and transport. For more details and to purchase, check the link in the description below. The Hobart Handler 190 is a versatile MIG welder designed for a wide range of applications, from auto body work to household repairs. With a power output range of 25 to 190 amps and requiring a 230 volt input, it can handle thicker materials with ease. It features a duty cycle of 30% at 130 amps, allowing for longer welding sessions without frequent cooldown periods. This model also supports flux-core welding, adding to its versatility and allowing for welding without a shielding gas, which can be particularly useful for outdoor projects. However, its reliance on a 230 volt input limits its use to areas with this power availability, which may not be convenient for all users. Additionally, its heavier weight can make it less portable compared to smaller welders, and some users may find the setup process more complex. In summary, this device is a powerful and versatile welder suitable for a variety of tasks, from light repairs to more substantial welding projects. Its support for both MIG and flux-core welding enhances its functionality, making it a valuable tool for serious hobbyists and professionals alike. For more details and to purchase, check the link in the description below. The Millermatic 211 is a dual voltage MIG welder known for its versatility and power, catering to both DIY enthusiasts and professional welders. With a power output range of 30 to 230 amps and the ability to run on either 120 volt or 240 volt inputs, it can handle both light and heavy duty welding tasks. It boasts a duty cycle of 40% at 150 amps, allowing for extended welding periods. Additionally, it supports both MIG and flux-core welding, offering flexibility for different projects. However, the machine's higher price point might be a drawback for hobbyists or those on a tight budget. Also, while its dual voltage capability is an asset, switching between power sources requires some setup that may not be straightforward for all users. In conclusion, this model is a robust and flexible welding machine suitable for a range of welding tasks, from light household repairs to heavy-duty professional work. Its ease of use, combined with its powerful performance, makes it a top choice for many welders. For more details and to purchase, check the link in the description below. The Miller Multimatic 220 is a multi-process welder that provides excellent flexibility for both hobbyists and professionals. With a power output range of 30 to 230 amps and the capability to operate on either 120 volt or 240 volt, this machine is suitable for light to heavy duty tasks. The impressive duty cycle at 60% at 105 amps ensures prolonged welding sessions without frequent breaks. One of the key advantages of this model is its versatility in supporting multiple welding processes, including MIG, flux-core, DC TIG, and DC stick welding. However, its higher weight compared to some portable models may make it less convenient to move frequently. Additionally, the machine's price point is higher, which might be a consideration for budget-conscious users. In summary, this device is a versatile and powerful welding machine ideal for a wide range of welding applications. Its multi-process capabilities and user-friendly features make it a top choice for those seeking flexibility and reliability in their welding tasks. For more details and to purchase, check the link in the description below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to keep up with future content. And feel free to leave your thoughts in the comments. Until next time, happy exploring.